In this video, I will show you how to delete your browsing history on Amazon. To get started, open the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android device or visit amazon.com in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to open the menu, then select Account. Scroll down until you reach the Personalized Content section and tap on Browsing History. Here, you'll see a list of items you've recently viewed. To remove individual items, simply tap Remove from View beneath each one. If you'd like to delete everything at once, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Remove all items from view. You can also pause your browsing history if you don't want Amazon to track your viewed items in the future. Just return to the same settings whenever you want to clear or manage your browsing history. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.